G'day guys, Cyanide here. This is The Rust Never Sleeps part 48. The roadster build for the Cancer Society charity auction. Today I'm going to do a little bit of detailing. I've got the this little pack here from the RC4 drive. Hopefully she'll stay focused. This is the distributor and the spark plug leads, those sorts of things. So I'm going to stick that on today, and I may have a look at running some little wires out the front from the discs that I got on the front to be fake brake lines. I was thinking the other day about putting a booster cylinder up here on the firewall somewhere. I'll see how I go. There's not a lot of room back there behind the V8, so I'll see how I go with that detail. I may or may not get that done. So very close to being finished, so I think, touch wood, this may be the last video where I'm actually doing stuff to the build, and the videos following will be more just poser videos and a test running video, things like that, and of course videos of when it's been auctioned off and sent away. Anyway guys, I'll get on for it, set up the camera, turn on my radio, and we'll put in some detail stuff. Okay, so I got this in, this little kit's a bit of an exercise in frustration. Tiny little screws with little splits in the end of them, and they break off, and it's just generally annoying. So, but yeah, the way I've done it is pretty pants. It's just ridiculous looking. So I'm gonna go and have a look on the interwebs, have a coffee, and see what other people have done to tidy up these cables here for the spark plugs. Maybe I can cable tie them and run them down there like that to tidy them up, or cut them shorter, run them around the back. I'm not too sure. The other thing I'm not really a fanboy of is the way these come up rather than elbow out sideways like a lot of the real ones do. Then it wouldn't stick up like a little flower thing on the top there. So yeah, I will get on the computer. I got the firing order right. I think I did use some pictures here, so I did do that at least. But yeah, and there was no screw for the center wire. It's threaded a hole, but there was a screw short. Excuse me. So I just stuck a piece of wire in there for now. Yeah, that looks weird. Okay, I've done something wrong. I'm going to go and have a look at the instructions or something and see what's going on. So it's probably a few hours later now. What I did in the end to tidy up those spark plug cables was I put some little ties there. There's one there and there's one on the other side. There's a little bolt here that holds the tappet covers on there, and so put this on there, and that wraps around, and also you'll see at the back there's a coil mounted to the firewall that comes out of there at the top of the distributor. Also I puts a wire on these disc brake calipers there and there to be, it's hard to see it, but you see them moving there, they go, run along the chassis sort of deal. So they hooked up. Young Jefferson is in his driver's seat, got the windscreen in, so a few little glue smears, but it's not the end of the world. And down in there, some of you may remember many moons ago when I first started this project, I brought this banjo fridge magnet. The magnet's fallen off since. Brought this from a hot rod show stall, and yeah, that's in there. That actually has there's some wires in that down there. You may or may not be able to see them. So that sits nicely in there and covers those up. And because we can, so that's kind of cool. That's it really. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I don't think I'm going to detail anymore. I really want to get on to some other projects, you know, so and as you guys know, with RC, a project's never really done, you're always working on it. And this one's not hanging around, it's going. So if the new owner is that way inclined, they may want to put some more details into it. Who knows, they may, or they may want like it the way it is and may want to put it on a shelf. So anyway, probably a kind of a short video this time around. I've got some other videos in the can coming up, and I've also got another car show that I've been to recently, so I've got to put some videos of that up, the Twin Rivers car show. But after that, maybe in about 4 weeks from the date that this is posted, I will do probably a test running video, those sorts of things, and we'll be very close to putting this on eBay to be auctioned off for the Cancer Society. So yeah, that's good. I'm going to call this done, I think. Phew, I'm going to have a beer. It's only taken me like 2.5 years to get done. So yeah, it's more my slowness than anything else. So good times and rock and roll, guys. Well, yeah, let's do a running video. Maybe I'm thinking I'll do a wee video of this being, you know, on the back of the Fat Betty truck as well, just because I can, and I won't have the chance to do it once it's auctioned off, so I'll definitely be doing that before it goes. Alright guys, catch you on the next one, eh? And pretty soon we'll be on to some new and exciting builds. Alright.